I think I know. Hi, Chica.
Chica, I think it's time you finished your chores. No, Chica, no more laters. We need the shoes sorted now.
Your mom's right. Look at what's going on back there.
I thought you were getting, I thought we were getting cowboy boots. I got one, but I don't know. I guess, guys.
What? Hey, Tweety, did you wipe my scooter? It seems the keys are still sticky. Listen.
Oh, Chica, there you are. I found a furry friend of yours looking pretty.
I'd better take my periscope with me. Seems it's keeping you from finishing your work. Ooh, gotta fly. I'll jet back for my no-slip sub shoes tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.